Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically you have been going through this SSL pending in Shopify in 2026. Well, it may be stuck on this error or just it shows you a message your site may show as not secure. So in today's small tutorial we're really gonna talk on how to actually fix this type of issues fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Open your browser and go all the way to Shopify.com, the usual menu. Then make sure to log in using your email address and password. As for number one solution, we just gonna wait like 24 to 48 hours since the certificate can take time to activate. Next, we're gonna go all the way to settings or this gear icon to check the domain connection. You should also make sure that it's fully connected and activated. Remove extra A records since conflicting DNS records can delay the SSL activation. Set a primary domain correctly. Choose only one primary domain version. For example, tap on Connect Existing, then give them the full domain. Disable any external CDN or proxy such as basically Cloudflare or proxy that can interfere with the SSL. Then try and reconnect the domain again. Just disconnect and reconnect your domain in Shopify and make sure if it's working properly. As a last resort, we can contact the support. I mean Shopify support obviously. If pending longer than 48 hours, they can reset the SSL for you. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.